Hi everyone, this is Farah and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome to FeBAGuary. As you know, I've been making daily handbag videos this whole month of February, and I've been doing weekly handbag unboxings or reveals, bags that are new to my channel, and I'm going to end off this whole entire month with my full handbag collection. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. It's been so much fun for me to do them, challenging but fun. And today's video, as you can see, is going to be a what's in my bag. This is old school what's in my bag. I feel like we used to always see these videos all the time, and I love them still to this day. So I haven't done a what's in my bag in some time, so I'm really excited to do one today. If you guys are new here, please go ahead if you haven't already and hit subscribe below. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year, so I would just be beyond thrilled if you guys could help me make that happen. But let me go ahead and get right into this video. So this handbag that I'm using is one that I just recently revealed. This is my Speedy B 25 bandolier in the monogram print. This was the first video I did for this month, and I revealed this handbag. It's a bag I've been wanting for such a long time, and since I got it, I've been using it almost every single day as my daily handbag, and it's a great bag. I love how lightweight it is. I love always top handle, crossbody, versatilities in handbags. And I just love how classic it is. And I think the 25 size is one that I'm really enjoying because it just seems like it just fits my proportions really well. But because I've been carrying it every single day, things have definitely built up in here. I mean, in addition to my essentials, I think so many other things have kind of accumulated. So this is going to be just kind of a what's in my bag, but also help me clean out my bag at the same time. So let's go ahead and get started. So with the Speedies, as you guys know, it's the top handle and then it's got this top zip. So let me go ahead and get into my bag. Just open up these little zippers. And let's take a peek in here. Oh yeah, this can definitely use a good cleanup. Just see papers in here. Now, I know a lot of people do organizers in here, and I've thought about it, but this keeps the structure pretty good because it's the smaller size. It don't have too much of the sag, as you can see. So I haven't done the organizer yet, but sometimes it is a little frustrating to find things in here, and you know, especially if I'm just quickly need to find something, it can be hard to kind of dig through everything and find it. So I'm considering getting one, but I don't have one in currently. But let me go ahead and show you what's in here. So I'm going to start off first with this little slip pocket that's right over here. So in here, I usually try to keep my lip products, and yep, that's what I've got in here. So I've got one, my lipstick here, which is in a red color. And then I've got two chopsticks here. So Burt's Bees one, and then one that looks like it's a SPF little lip balm. So that is all that I've got in this lip pocket. And then the main pocket, the thing that you keep seeing is a whole bunch of napkins. I must have thrown this in here. So I don't know, I must have been out to eat somewhere and grabbed them. I have no idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that because that doesn't necessarily need to be in here. And then I've got my wallet. So this is in the Demure bean print, you know, this is the monogram, but I still love how they go together. So my wallet's in there. Usually when I'm trying to have a luxury handbag, I try to protect my keys. So I have this little Vera Bradley key pouch, so I love it. It opens up like this. I've got my keys that are in here that I just kind of snap onto here, and I love this one because you could also fit in cards here. It's got a little zip in there as well, so it's just a really nice little way to protect your keys. So that's also in here. What else? I have my phone in here, and then a little water bottle, which I'm going to leave out as well because that could sometimes open and that would not be great. Some papers here. So this is, what is this paper? Okay, this is a receipt from when I took my little kitty to the vet. I say kitty, but she's almost 16 years old and she's gonna be 16 later this year. So she's a senior kitty cat to me. So that is almost getting to the end. I've got this. This is kind of my dupe for the mini push-out, which I've never been able to get my hands on, at least brand new. So I got this years ago from Amazon. They no longer unfortunately sell this one, but it just kind of opens up like this. It's made by something called Blush Cotton. And it has even like a little zipper interior here, so really handy. I've just got a couple things in here. I have a hand sanitizer, hand cream, and then this is just like a little mini nail kit, which I love having. This is so handy. So this has like everything there, from nail clippers to a file, scissors, and you wouldn't believe the amount of times I've used this, especially like the scissors and the nail file comes in handy. So that is what's all in here. So that's pretty organized and minimal, I would say. Sometimes I have hair ties and things in here. I currently don't right now. Almost getting to the end right there. Another paper. These are some questions I have to do for work, which I can get rid of. I've got wet wipes in here, which are just great. Their water wipes are like, you know, baby wipes, but they're great for cleaning up messes while, you know, cleaning your hands, that kind of thing. So I love these. And then the last thing it looks like is just a little snack. I always try to keep a little snack on me, and this is just like a little fruit chew. I think I got those from Target. So yeah, this is all empty. Nothing else in the bag, so you can see completely empty here. But yeah, one thing with the bag is it is a little bit of a black hole, so I'm going to put in back what I want to keep in here. So I've got this little, you know, mini pochette tube. I'm going to go right in there. I'm going to put my 3 lip products back in because I do enjoy using them. Then I'm going to put them back in the slip pocket there, and I just always keep that right there. And then my keys, my wallet, my phone, all the essentials. A snack is essential for me. And then I don't need those napkins that I had previously. I'm going to get rid of those, but these water wipes are always nice to have in place of that. And then last thing that I will probably put back is my water bottle, but I'm going to make sure that that is quite tightened, so there's no chance of that falling out. So yeah, so that pretty much kind of helps me clean that up. That's always very satisfying when you just go ahead and, you know, clean out your bags and make sure there's nothing in there that's just rummaging around. So that was a nice way to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and set that back up. So there we go. Then got my freshly cleaned out Speedy B 25. I am really enjoying this bag, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I love this what's in my bag videos. They're so much fun to watch. Hopefully if you guys haven't done one recently, you'll join and bring this video back because it's always been such a fun one to watch. I mean, I could go ahead and just watch these back to back to back. It's just so much fun to see, for some reason, what's in people's handbags, because it shows you not only what bag they're carrying, but also kind of how they use it and what they keep in it. So somehow it's really fun. But hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, please give this video a thumbs up. Please hit subscribe below if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye.